Yes, now we start our question number 18, and till the question number 18 you have to see the part 1. Now in this question it is given that write in figure in the international place value chart. You have to write this number in figure in international place value chart. Now in this statement it is given that 30,105,063. Now here we see that our places go up to the places of million. So first we write here the places ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, then 100,000, then million. Now we see here that before million we have the number 30 and it is a 2-digit number. 2-digit number means we have to write the places million and 10 million. Now we have to put up the values. This is 30 million, so we write here 30 million. Now the next is 105,000. Before the period of 1000 you have to write 105. Now you see the next number, that is 63. 63 is a 2-digit number, and 2-digit number means we have to write below the tens period and the ones period. Now we see that our 100 place is blank, so under the 100 period we write 0 to fill this blank space. This is your answer. Now you have to put commas according to the international system. Now here you see that ones, tens, hundred are having ones period, so we put comma here. Now 1000, 10,000 and 100,000 belongs to the 1000 period, so we put comma here. And now million and 10 million belong to the next one. Now you have to do rest of the part yourself of this question, because all the questions related to this question number 19 parts are all of the same way, so you have to do it yourself. Now we start our next content. Now our next topic is comparison. Comparison. In comparison, we have to compare the number. How we compare the number? Because numbers have no any weight. Then how we do this? How we compare these numbers? We compare the numbers according to their places. So, for this, first of all, I take an example. Suppose I write 3,456. And now here I write 4,790. We take two numbers having the same places. Now first rule to compare the number is that we have to count the digits. Now here we see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. This number is having 4 digits. And now again in this number we see that 1, 2, 3 and 4. It also have the 4 digits. Now it is simple that in this both numbers are having the same digits. Then how we compare these numbers? We compare from the left side. This number is 3 and this number is 4. Now we see that 3 is less than 4. So we write here like this. And we put this symbol in the box. Clear this one? Now we take another example. 2,768 and 2,761. Now again we see that this number is having 4 digits and this number is also having the 4 digits. Now we have to check that which number is greater. So we start from the left side. Now here see that this number at 1000 place is 2 and on the second number 1000 place digit is also 2. Now it is difficult to find that which number is greater because both the places numbers are equal. So let us see the next place. In the next place we see that at 100 place the number is 7. And now here we see that 100 place number is also 7. Now the situation is the same. We are not able to find that which number is greater. So we start to the next step and we see that at a tens place we have the number 6. And here also we have the same number. 6 is at the tens place. Now the situation is the same. Now we have to check the next number. Here we see that ones place number is 8 and here ones place number is 1. Now we know that 8 is greater than 1. It means that this number is greater than this one. Now we know that 2768 is greater than 2761. For a number which is greater, we put the symbol like this. The face of this symbol is open on the side of the greater number and the face of this symbol is closed on the side of the smaller number. Clear this one? Okay. Now we check the next rule of this number. It is very easy to that. Suppose we write the number 368 and the next number is 4721. Now in this number we see that in this number we have 3 digits and in this number we have 4 digits. Clear this one? Now it is a very simple that 3 digit number is smaller than the 4 digit number. That's why by only counting the digits of the number we are able to find our answer that 4721 is greater. Clear? Now after learning the concept of comparison, we are able to find the increasing order and decreasing order. For this, first of all, we make steps. And these steps include when we are going upward, then it means that they are called ascending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means we start from the smaller step and we go up and up. It means first we write the smaller number, then we write the greater, and at the end of the question we write the greatest number. It is also called in the smaller form ascending order. Now when we go to the downward steps, then this is called descending order. Descending order. In this, first of all we write the greater number, then we write the smaller, then again smaller, and in the last we write the smallest number. And this order is also called in the short form descending order. So let us start to solve this question according to these steps. Now in exercise 1B, our first question is comparison of numbers. Comparison Now, let us start our question number 1. Comparison of numbers putting greater or less symbol. Now, in the first part, your number is this and this. Now, first we follow the first rule, that first of all we count the digits of the number. Here we see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This number is having 7 digits and this number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. Now easily we find that in this number we have 7 digits and in this number we have 6 digits. So the number which is having 7 digits, it is greater than the number which is having 6 digits. So this number is greater. Now in the second part you have to given the number this and in these numbers you count the digits and the digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This number is having 8 digits. Now we check the other number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This number is also having 8 digits. Now when we compare, now both the numbers are having the same number of digits. So we start it from the starting. And our number is, first we check this number. Now we see that our this number is 4. And here also the number is 4. Now we are not able to find that which number is greater. So we have to follow the next step, and on the next step we find that our next digit is 0 and here our next number is 7. Now we get a solution that 7 is greater than 0. It means that this number is greater than this number. So this is our answer, and easily we find that which number is greater and which number is smaller according to their places. Now the next question, ascending order and descending order, we do this question in the next video. Till then, bye.